Welcome to our channel. We are so glad you found your way here. Let us help you fall asleep. Let's begin with the Wood Wide Web. How the forest communicates beneath your feet. Take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Let the weight of the day fade away as we embark on an unhurried, atmospheric journey through the wonders of the cosmos. Your mind is quiet. The universe is vast, and we are ready to explore. This subterranean world is primarily interconnected through mycorrhizal networks, intricate systems formed by symbiotic relationships between fungi and plant roots. These fungal networks extend far beyond individual plants, creating a vast web that facilitates communication and nutrient exchange among various species. The fungi, often unseen, serve as conduits, linking trees and smaller flora in a cooperative ecosystem. Nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus traverse these networks, allowing trees to share resources with neighboring plants in times of need. This cooperation fosters resilience in the face of environmental stressors, such as drought or disease. The exchange of chemical signals through this network also enables trees to alert one another to potential threats, such as insect infestations or pathogenic fungi, thereby increasing collective survival rates. In addition to nutrient sharing, these mycorrhizal networks can enhance soil structure and promote water retention, enriching the ecosystem as a whole. The interconnected nature of this system highlights a complex web of interdependence where each organism plays a role in maintaining the health of the forest. The study of these networks not only reveals the depth of forest ecosystems, but also challenges traditional notions of competition among species. Instead, it presents a model of cooperation, emphasizing the importance of community within the vast expanses of the forest floor. Fungi serve as integral components of forest ecosystems, facilitating communication and nutrient exchange among the myriad of trees and plants. Mycelium, the underground network formed by these organisms, extends across vast distances, connecting individual plants and allowing for the transfer of resources such as water and essential minerals. This intricate system fosters a sense of unity as trees share nutrients with their neighbors, particularly those in need, such as younger or weaker specimens. The fungal networks also provide a crucial defense mechanism against pathogens, enhancing the overall health of the forest. By forming symbiotic relationships, fungi enhance nutrient uptake for their plant partners, while receiving carbohydrates in return. This mutualistic interaction underscores the delicate balance of life beneath the surface. In addition to nutrient cycling, fungi play a vital role in decomposition, breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients to the soil. This process enriches the ecosystem, supporting a diverse array of flora and fauna. Without the presence of these organisms, forests would struggle to maintain their productivity and resilience. Through their hidden yet profound influence, fungi shape the dynamics of forest communities, ensuring stability and sustainability. Beneath the surface, these networks weave an unseen yet vital lifeline, crucial for the vitality of the terrestrial environment. Root systems extend deep into the earth, forming a complex web that supports not only individual trees but also the entire ecosystem. This intricate network fosters communication among trees, allowing them to exchange nutrients and send distress signals in times of need. Mycorrhizal fungi play a pivotal role in this symbiosis, attaching themselves to the roots and facilitating the transfer of essential resources. Through this partnership, trees can share carbon, nitrogen, and water, promoting mutual survival. In these subterranean realms, the exchange of information occurs through chemical signals and electrical impulses. Trees can detect changes in their environment, leading to adaptive responses that benefit the collective. When a tree is under attack from pests, it may release specific compounds into the soil, alerting nearby plants to bolster their defenses. This interconnectedness exemplifies a communal resilience, enabling the forest to withstand various stresses. The depth and complexity of root systems vary widely among species. Some trees possess shallow roots, while others extend deep into the substrate, anchoring themselves and drawing resources from different soil layers. These variations contribute to the stability of the ecosystem, preventing erosion and fostering biodiversity. As the roots intertwine and interact, a profound understanding of life within this region emerges, revealing the remarkable intelligence inherent in nature's design. This intelligence is most vividly illustrated through the symbiotic relationship between trees and fungi. Mycorrhizal fungi establish connections with the roots of trees, forming a vast network that extends beneath the forest floor. These fungi provide essential nutrients, such as phosphorus and nitrogen, directly to the trees, enhancing their growth and resilience against environmental stressors. In return, trees supply carbohydrates to the fungi, a product of photosynthesis, fostering mutual dependency. This relationship creates an intricate web of communication and resource sharing. When a tree is under threat from disease or pests, it can signal neighboring trees through this network, allowing them to bolster their defenses proactively. The fungal networks also facilitate the transfer of water between trees, enabling individuals to support weaker or younger members of the community during drought conditions. In addition to nutrient exchange, these networks influence the overall health and diversity of the forest ecosystem. Fungi can connect multiple species, allowing for a collaborative approach to survival. This interconnectedness helps maintain stability within the ecosystem, ensuring that various species can thrive, even in changing environmental conditions. As these partnerships flourish, they contribute to the resilience of the forest, demonstrating a complex and unseen layer of life that underpins the vibrant world above. This hidden realm plays a crucial role in sustaining the ecological balance. Ectomycorrhizae and arbuscular mycorrhizae represent two distinct types of mycorrhizal associations that facilitate plant-fungi interactions within this hidden realm. Ectomycorrhizae form a sheath around the roots of host plants, most commonly trees such as pines, oaks, and birches. This external structure allows for enhanced nutrient absorption, particularly in nutrient-poor soils. The fungal hyphae penetrate the soil, extending the root system and increasing access to essential nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. This relationship benefits both parties, as plants provide carbohydrates to the fungi in exchange for vital minerals. Arbuscular mycorrhizae, in contrast, penetrate the root cells of their host plants. These fungi create structures known as arbuscules, which facilitate nutrient exchange at a cellular level, found predominantly in herbaceous plants and many crops. This type of mycorrhiza helps improve plant resilience against pathogens and enhances water absorption. The intimate connection formed in this manner allows for a more efficient transfer of nutrients, fostering a stable growth environment. Both types of mycorrhizal fungi contribute to the overall health of ecosystems. Their networks intertwine beneath the forest floor, forming an interconnected system that supports plant growth and promotes biodiversity. This subterranean communication enhances resilience against environmental changes, revealing the intricate web of life that exists beneath our feet. The structure of mycelium serves as nature's internet, a complex network that connects various organisms within an ecosystem. This fungal network consists of an extensive system of hyphae, thread-like structures that can spread over vast areas, often intertwining with the roots of plants. Each filament functions as a conduit, allowing for the exchange of vital nutrients, water, and information. In this hidden realm, mycelium facilitates interspecies relationships, where trees, shrubs, and other plants can communicate stress signals regarding threats such as drought or disease. This communication allows neighboring flora to bolster their defenses, enhancing the overall health of the community. Mycelium acts as a mediator, ensuring a cooperative approach to survival. The interconnectedness of these filaments creates a resilient ecosystem. Nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus flow seamlessly through this network, supporting the growth of plants, which in turn feed various forms of life. Research indicates that older trees often act as central hubs, distributing resources to younger plants, thereby fostering an environment of mutual support. In the shadows of towering trees, this silent exchange unfolds, revealing a dynamic system that thrives beneath the forest floor. The mycelium not only sustains life but also embodies the delicate balance of cooperation and competition that defines ecosystems. Each interaction within this network contributes to the forest's long-term health and stability. Trees engage in a complex nutrient exchange with mycorrhizal fungi, fostering a symbiotic relationship that sustains both parties. This interaction primarily occurs in the soil, where roots extend their reach into the earth, seeking essential minerals and water. They release organic compounds, including carbohydrates, into the soil, which attract the fungi. In return, these fungi extend their hyphae into the surrounding substrate, increasing the surface area for nutrient absorption far beyond the tree's own roots. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and other vital nutrients are efficiently transferred through this network. Fungi are adept at breaking down organic matter and accessing nutrients locked within, which would otherwise remain unavailable to the trees. The exchange enhances the growth and resilience of the forest, allowing it to thrive in various environmental conditions. This intricate web of communication and resource sharing extends beyond individual trees, connecting multiple species across the ecosystem. Trees can also transmit signals regarding environmental stresses through these fungal networks. For instance, when one tree is under threat from pests or disease, it may release specific chemicals that alert neighboring trees, prompting them to bolster their own defenses. Such capabilities illustrate the profound interdependence that characterizes forests, highlighting the unseen complexities of life beneath the forest floor. Mycorrhizal networks play a crucial role in facilitating the exchange of carbon within forest ecosystems. Through these underground connections, trees and other plants engage in a reciprocal relationship with fungi. The symbiosis allows for the transfer of carbon from photosynthesis, feeding the mycorrhizal fungi in exchange for essential nutrients and water. In this environment, carbon becomes a currency of cooperation. Fungal hyphae extend far beyond the roots of individual plants, effectively linking multiple species across vast distances. This network not only enhances nutrient uptake, but also stabilizes the ecosystem, ensuring resilience against environmental stresses. As carbon flows through these networks, it can support the growth of seedlings, allowing them to thrive in the shadow of larger trees. This connection aids in the establishment of new generations, ensuring continuity within the forest. The shared carbon also facilitates the survival of weaker or less competitive species, contributing to biodiversity. Through this intricate web, trees communicate needs and resources, fostering a sense of community that transcends individual survival. The health of the entire forest is contingent upon these mycorrhizal connections, illustrating the dynamic interplay between flora and fungi. In essence, the role of carbon within these networks exemplifies the interconnected nature of life beneath the surface, revealing the delicate balance sustaining forest ecosystems. Mycorrhizal networks function as an intricate communication tool among various plant species. These fungal associations form symbiotic relationships with roots, allowing for the exchange of nutrients and information. Through this subterranean web, plants can transmit signals about environmental stresses, such as drought or pest infestations. This region, characterized by these interactions, reveals a complex language of chemical signals, facilitating cooperation and resilience among the flora. The networks enable plants to share vital resources, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, enhancing their overall health. This cooperation becomes particularly evident during periods of stress, where neighboring plants can assist each other, ensuring survival in a challenging environment. The presence of mycorrhizal fungi fosters a sense of community among trees and plants, creating a supportive ecosystem that thrives on mutual assistance. Research indicates that older trees, often referred to as mother trees, play a pivotal role within these networks. They can channel resources to younger or weaker plants, ensuring their growth and survival. This phenomenon emphasizes the significance of biodiversity, as diverse plant species enrich these networks, leading to more resilient forest ecosystems. The implications of these mycorrhizal connections extend beyond individual species, influencing the broader ecological landscape and contributing to the stability and health of forest environments. The quiet cooperation beneath the surface underscores the profound complexity of life in the woods. Chemical signaling plays a pivotal role in the intricate networks of communication among trees. These organisms release volatile organic compounds into the air and soil, creating an invisible language that conveys vital information regarding threats and resources. When under attack from pests, trees emit specific chemicals that signal distress, prompting nearby counterparts to bolster their defenses. This response may involve heightened production of toxins or the development of thicker bark, enhancing their resilience against intruders. The soil beneath the forest floor teems with microbial life, which contributes to this sophisticated form of communication. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with tree roots, facilitating the exchange of nutrients and chemical signals. This partnership allows trees to share information about nutrient availability and environmental stresses, fostering a collective response to challenges. For instance, when one tree experiences drought, it may release signals that prompt neighboring trees to conserve water resources. This complex web of interactions illustrates a remarkable adaptation strategy, enabling trees to survive and thrive in their ecosystems. The exchange of chemical signals not only enhances individual survival, but also strengthens the overall resilience of the forest. Each signal, whether above or below ground, reinforces the interconnectedness of life, revealing the subtle yet profound dynamics at play within this thriving environment. Volatile organic compounds play a crucial role in the communication network of trees, acting as airborne messengers. These organic chemicals, released from the foliage, serve multiple functions in the intricate web of forest dynamics. When trees experience stress, such as from insect infestations or drought, they emit specific compounds that signal distress to neighboring plants. This act of communication prompts nearby vegetation to bolster their defenses, preparing for potential threats. These organic compounds, often perceived as scents, can travel significant distances, dispersing through the air to reach their intended targets. The reception of these signals triggers physiological changes in the receiving trees, which may include the production of chemical deterrents or alterations in growth patterns. This complex interaction fosters a collective resilience among tree populations, enhancing their survival rates in challenging conditions. In addition to their defensive roles, volatile organic compounds can also facilitate beneficial relationships. Certain compounds attract pollinators or seed dispersers, ensuring that the cycle of life continues within the ecosystem. The interplay of these compounds creates a multifaceted communication network, where each tree's response not only benefits itself, but also contributes to the well-being of the entire forest community. The silent exchange of information through these organic signals exemplifies the sophistication of nature's communication systems, revealing the depth of relationships beneath the forest canopy. Alarm signals serve as an intricate part of this underground communication network. When a tree faces threats such as insect infestations or physical damage, it can release specific volatile organic compounds into the air. These chemical markers travel through the surroundings, alerting neighboring trees to potential dangers. This region of the forest becomes an interconnected web of vigilance, where trees prepare their defenses in response to perceived threats. In reaction to these alarm signals, nearby trees may respond by increasing their production of protective compounds, such as tannins and phenolics. This proactive measure fortifies their cellular structure, making them less palatable to herbivores. Such responses occur not only through immediate reactions, but also through the gradual adaptation of species over successive generations, enhancing resilience within the ecosystem. Additionally, root networks play a significant role in this communication process. Fungi form mutualistic relationships with roots, facilitating the transfer of nutrients and information. Through these networks, trees can share distress signals, effectively creating an early warning system throughout the forest. The interconnectedness of this system demonstrates a remarkable level of cooperation among individual organisms. This phenomenon highlights the importance of community within the forest ecology, suggesting that cooperation is essential for survival in the face of environmental challenges. The forest thrives as its inhabitants engage in this complex web of interdependence. The dynamics of this interconnected ecosystem can be profoundly influenced by the presence of pests and diseases. These agents disrupt the delicate balance, inflicting stress on trees and other flora. As certain species succumb, the network of communication falters. This decline can trigger cascading effects throughout the community, impacting not only individual plants but also the overall health of the forest. Pests often exploit weaknesses in trees, targeting those already stressed by environmental factors such as drought or nutrient deficiency. In turn, the forest's ability to share resources diminishes. Trees may retreat into themselves, severing connections and hoarding nutrients, which leads to further vulnerability. Disease pathogens can spread rapidly in a weakened environment, compounding the challenges faced by the remaining flora. The interplay between these pressures and the adaptive responses of trees is a complex phenomenon. Some species might develop resistance over time, altering the forest's composition. These changes can influence the habitat available for wildlife and other plants, fostering a new equilibrium in the ecosystem. The forest, while resilient, must continuously adapt to these threats. The fading company of trees engages in a silent struggle against adversity, ensuring that life continues even in the face of significant challenges. Here, the cyclical nature of life persists, revealing the intricate relationships that sustain this vibrant environment. The interconnectedness of this environment extends further through mycorrhizal networks, which serve as a fundamental conduit for communication among flora. These fungal associations penetrate root systems, forming extensive networks that facilitate the exchange of essential nutrients and chemical signals. Through this subterranean web, plants can share resources, bolstering their resilience in the face of environmental stresses. When one plant encounters a pathogen or pest, it can release volatile organic compounds into the network. This prompts neighboring plants to prepare their defenses in advance, a phenomenon known as priming. Such proactive measures enhance their ability to withstand potential threats, illustrating the cooperative strategies that thrive in this ecosystem. Mycorrhizal fungi play a crucial role in mediating these interactions, influencing the health and survival of various plant species. By connecting diverse species, these networks promote not only defense mechanisms, but also genetic diversity, allowing for a robust response to changing conditions. As environmental pressures mount, this complex web becomes increasingly vital, ensuring that plants can adapt and thrive. The silent cooperation beneath the forest floor underscores the profound interdependence of life, revealing a system that operates with precision and purpose, even when unseen. In this realm, survival is not merely a solitary endeavor, but a collective effort woven into the very fabric of the ecosystem. Roots extend beneath the surface, entwining with one another, creating a network that facilitates the sharing of vital resources. Trees communicate through this underground matrix, exchanging nutrients, water, and chemical signals to support neighboring species. They utilize mycorrhizal fungi, which form symbiotic relationships with roots, enhancing nutrient absorption while linking various trees and plants. This fungal network acts as a conduit for information, allowing trees to respond to environmental stresses. When one tree is attacked by pests, it can release specific chemical compounds into this network, alerting nearby trees to bolster their defenses. These signals can trigger the production of toxins or other protective mechanisms, enhancing resilience throughout the forest. In this way, the interconnectedness of trees fosters a communal approach to survival, ensuring the health of the entire ecosystem. Through the sharing of resources, weaker or younger trees receive sustenance from more established neighbors, promoting a robust community. This support system creates a diverse age structure within the forest, enhancing stability and resilience against environmental fluctuations. The complexity of these interactions underscores the intelligence embedded in forest ecosystems. Each tree contributes to the well-being of others, demonstrating that life beneath the soil is as dynamic and intricate as that which flourishes above. Such cooperation is essential for sustaining the delicate balance of life in these habitats. These habitats are animated by the presence of mother trees, the towering elders that serve as the central figures in forest ecology. They possess extensive root systems that intertwine with those of neighboring trees, forming a vast network through which nutrients and information are shared. This interconnectedness transforms the forest floor into a thriving community, where the survival of saplings and weaker species often relies on the benevolence of these giants. In this intricate web, mother trees facilitate communication among diverse plant species. They emit chemical signals, alerting neighboring trees to threats such as pests or disease. This response can prompt surrounding vegetation to bolster their defenses, enhancing overall resilience against environmental stresses. The lifespan of mother trees can stretch for several centuries, during which time they accumulate vast reservoirs of knowledge and genetic diversity. Their decline can lead to significant repercussions throughout the ecosystem, as younger generations may struggle to thrive without their guidance. Additionally, the death of a mother tree often triggers the mobilization of resources within the network, redistributing nutrients to support the next generation. This profound interdependence underscores the complexity of forest dynamics, revealing that life beneath the surface is as rich and multifaceted as the vibrant canopy above. The age of trees plays a critical role in the complexity of these underground networks. Mature specimens often possess extensive root systems that intertwine with those of neighboring trees, establishing a robust framework for communication and nutrient exchange. Older trees act as keystones within their ecosystems, supporting a diverse array of organisms. Their roots not only reach deeper into the soil, but also connect with a wider array of mycorrhizal fungi, enhancing the efficiency of these connections. In younger forests, the network is often less developed. Saplings establish their own root systems, yet they lack the breadth and depth of their older counterparts. This difference results in a reduced capacity for sharing resources, with younger trees often relying more heavily on individual survival strategies. As they mature, the gradual integration into the larger network allows them to access nutrients and support from established trees, fostering resilience against environmental stresses. The relationship between tree age and network complexity is further amplified by the biological diversity present in these ecosystems. Various species contribute distinct functions within the network, creating a web of interactions that thrives on mutualism. This intricate relationship highlights not only the importance of age in forest dynamics, but also the need for preserving older trees, which serve as vital hubs of connectivity and stability within these ecosystems. Biodiversity within forest ecosystems serves as a cornerstone for resilience and adaptability. It is not merely a collection of species, but a complex network of interrelations that enhances productivity and stability. Mycorrhizal fungi play a crucial role in this diversity, forming symbiotic associations with the roots of trees and plants. These fungi extend their filamentous structures, or hyphae, into the soil, effectively increasing the surface area available for nutrient absorption. This network enables trees to share essential resources, such as water and minerals, with neighboring plants. In turn, these relationships foster a rich variety of life forms. The presence of diverse species ensures that the system can withstand environmental stresses, such as drought and disease, by allowing for functional redundancy. As different plant species interact with various types of mycorrhizal fungi, they contribute to a multi-layered web of connections that supports the entire ecosystem. This variety not only enhances nutrient cycling but also offers habitats for countless microorganisms, insects, and larger fauna. Loss of biodiversity disrupts these networks, leading to weakened resilience and potential collapse of forest systems. Conservation efforts focused on maintaining species variety and the health of mycorrhizal networks are crucial for sustaining the intricate web of life hidden beneath the forest floor. Mycorrhizal networks play an essential role in the interconnectedness of forest ecosystems, facilitating nutrient exchange among trees and plants. Through these underground fungal networks, various species engage in a cooperative relationship, allowing for the sharing of resources such as water and essential minerals. This mutualistic interaction not only enhances the growth of individual plants, but also contributes to the overall resilience of the ecosystem. The presence of diverse mycorrhizal fungi is indicative of a healthy environment. Their ability to connect different plant species ensures that even the most vulnerable individuals receive the necessary support to thrive in times of stress, such as drought or disease. These networks can significantly increase survival rates by redistributing nutrients and bolstering the overall vigor of the forest. In addition to their role in nutrient cycling, these networks serve as conduits for chemical signaling, enabling plants to communicate threats such as pest infestations. This underground dialogue promotes a collective defense mechanism, enhancing the capacity of the entire forest to adapt to various challenges. The decline of mycorrhizal diversity through habitat destruction or pollution can disrupt these vital functions. Protecting these intricate networks is thus paramount not only for the survival of individual species, but also for the conservation of biodiversity as a whole. The health of forests hinges on these unseen connections, emphasizing the need for informed conservation strategies. Techniques for studying the Wood Wide Web have evolved significantly, allowing researchers to delve into the intricate relationships that exist beneath the forest floor. Mycorrhizal networks stand at the center of these investigations, with scientists employing advanced methods to visualize fungal structures, linking diverse plant species. Root sampling combined with molecular analysis provides insights into the genetic diversity of these fungi, revealing how they facilitate nutrient exchange and communication among trees. On oak trees, isotope tracing serves as another invaluable technique, highlighting the pathways through which carbon and other essential elements travel within these networks. By marking specific plants with isotopes, researchers can track the movement of nutrients, observing how they traverse through the soil, connecting various organisms. This method elucidates the cooperative behavior inherent in ecosystems where trees share resources during periods of stress. Soil respiration measurements further enhance understanding of these subterranean interactions. By monitoring gas exchanges, scientists can assess the metabolic activities of both plant roots and microbial communities, illustrating the dynamic nature of nutrient cycling. Additionally, controlled experiments, such as manipulating light and water availability, shed light on how environmental factors influence the efficacy of these networks. These techniques collectively reveal a complex web of life that transcends individual species, emphasizing the importance of preserving the delicate balance of forest ecosystems for future generations. The depletion of forested areas disrupts these intricate mycorrhizal networks, leading to cascading effects on plant health and ecosystem stability. When trees are removed, the symbiotic relationships between fungi and roots weaken, resulting in diminished nutrient exchange. This shift not only affects the immediate flora, but also alters the composition of species that can thrive in the altered environment. Soil erosion becomes a prevalent issue as the protective root systems that once anchored the earth are stripped away. Without the binding properties of this network, the soil becomes susceptible to degradation and loss of fertility. Consequently, the regenerative capacity of the land declines, making recovery increasingly difficult. The loss of mycorrhizal connections further hinders the ability of remaining plants to access vital resources, such as water and minerals. This situation exacerbates competition among species and may lead to a decline in overall biodiversity. As specific plants struggle to survive, the entire ecosystem's resilience is weakened, diminishing its ability to withstand environmental changes. Mycorrhizal networks play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, and their disruption may accelerate climate change effects. The disappearance of these underground connections can lead to an increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, contributing to global warming. Understanding the ramifications of deforestation on these networks is essential for implementing conservation strategies that promote forest health and sustainability. Urbanization disrupts the delicate balance of forest ecosystems, impacting the intricate networks that exist beneath the surface. The expansion of human habitation often leads to fragmentation, isolating tree populations and severing vital connections within these communal frameworks. In this altered landscape, the natural exchange of nutrients and information becomes compromised, limiting the ability of trees to communicate effectively with one another. Roads and buildings carve through once continuous stretches of forest, creating barriers that hinder the flow of resources. Mycorrhizal fungi, essential for facilitating communication between trees, may find their networks reduced to isolated patches. This disconnection not only affects tree health but also has cascading effects on the wider ecosystem, including soil health and biodiversity. As urban areas encroach upon these natural habitats, the competition for resources intensifies. Trees in fragmented environments may face increased stress from drought or disease. Without the support of their interconnected peers, the vitality of these ecosystems diminishes, leading to a decline in overall resilience. Restoration efforts in urban settings often aim to reconnect fragmented habitats, fostering the revival of these underground networks. Incorporating native species into urban forestry can help re-establish communication pathways. Such initiatives are vital for ensuring that these communities can thrive amidst the pressures of urbanization, allowing the forest to reclaim its role as a vital component of the environment. Climate change introduces profound challenges to mycorrhizal functionality and, consequently, to forest ecosystems. As temperatures rise and precipitation patterns shift, the delicate balance maintained by these fungal networks becomes increasingly precarious. Mycorrhizae serve as essential conduits for nutrient exchange, or reverse, linking trees and plants to the soil's rich reservoir of minerals and water. Changes in climate can disrupt these interactions, leading to diminished nutrient uptake and impaired plant health. Altered moisture levels can influence the distribution and vitality of mycorrhizal fungi. Some species may thrive under warmer conditions, while others may decline. This variability can shift the composition of entire forest communities, affecting which plant species can successfully establish and grow. The resulting changes may reduce biodiversity and resilience, making these ecosystems more susceptible to pests and diseases. These impacts are not isolated. The interconnectedness fostered by mycorrhizal networks means that disruptions can cascade through the entire forest community. Such shifts can influence carbon sequestration, as trees play a significant role in capturing atmospheric carbon. A weakened forest may struggle to mitigate the effects of climate change, creating a feedback loop that exacerbates global warming. Monitoring these changes is crucial for understanding the future of forest dynamics and for developing strategies to protect these intricate systems from further degradation. Soil health constitutes the foundation of mycorrhizal networks, sustaining the intricate relationships between trees and fungi, rich in organic matter and nutrients. Healthy soil fosters diverse microbial communities that play essential roles in nutrient cycling and plant growth. These microorganisms interact with mycorrhizal fungi, facilitating the exchange of carbon and nutrients between the soil and plant roots. This mutually beneficial relationship enhances the resilience of forest ecosystems. Belsi Buhonafa Dame Butagenesdes enhances the resilience of forest ecosystems. Decomposing organic material contributes to soil structure, promoting aeration and water retention. In turn, these conditions support the growth of mycorrhizal networks, allowing fungi to extend their hyphal threads deep into the soil. Through this expansive network, trees can access otherwise unavailable nutrients, including phosphorus and nitrogen, vital for their development. The symbiosis also strengthens the tree's ability to withstand environmental stresses, such as drought or nutrient deficiency. Conversely, deteriorating soil health disrupts these networks, leading to decreased nutrient availability and impaired tree growth. The decline of mycorrhizal connections can result in reduced forest productivity, making trees more vulnerable to pests and diseases. Restoration efforts focused on improving soil health are essential for re-establishing these networks. By enhancing microbial diversity and organic matter content, it becomes possible to rejuvenate these vital underground systems, supporting the overall health and resilience of forests. Mycorrhizal fungi establish intricate associations with plant roots, facilitating nutrient exchange and enhancing the ability of trees to absorb carbon dioxide. This symbiotic relationship plays a crucial role in carbon sequestration, as they significantly increase the surface area for absorption. Through this network, the fungi draw in water and essential minerals, while simultaneously capturing carbon in the form of organic compounds. The carbon captured through photosynthesis is transferred to the mycorrhizal fungi and stored in the soil as they decompose. This process not only enriches the soil, but also contributes to long-term carbon storage, helping to mitigate climate change. In many ecosystems, these fungi can account for a substantial portion of the total carbon stored in the soil, sometimes reaching levels of up to 30%. In addition to their role in carbon cycling, mycorrhizae also enhance the resilience of forests against environmental stresses. They improve soil structure, increase water retention, and promote the growth of other beneficial microorganisms. The interconnectedness of this network allows trees to share resources and signals, fostering a collaborative environment essential for survival. Understanding the vital role of mycorrhiza underscores the intricate relationships that sustain forest ecosystems, revealing the complexity beneath the surface and the importance of preserving these connections. Soil composition significantly influences mycorrhizal relationships, shaping the dynamics of nutrient exchange and communication within these ecosystems. The presence of organic matter, minerals, and pH levels directly affects the diversity and abundance of mycorrhizal fungi. Rich, loamy soils, abundant in organic material, foster a diverse fungal community, enhancing the symbiotic interactions with tree roots. This region thrives on the exchange of nutrients, where trees provide carbohydrates to fungi, while the fungi facilitate the absorption of water and essential minerals, such as phosphorus and nitrogen. In contrast, sandy or heavily compacted soils limit these relationships. Reduced organic content and poor nutrient availability hamper fungal growth, weakening the network that connects individual trees. These changes can lead to diminished forest health, as weakened trees become less resilient to disease and environmental stresses. A lack of diverse mycorrhizal partners can disrupt communication pathways among trees, reducing the overall vitality of the ecosystem. Soil microbiomes also play a role in shaping these interactions. Beneficial bacteria and other microorganisms coexist with mycorrhizal fungi, contributing to nutrient cycling and organic matter decomposition. The health of these communities is crucial as they support and enhance mycorrhizal networks, allowing forests to adapt to changing environmental conditions. This interconnected web of life beneath the surface illustrates the delicate balance sustaining forest ecosystems. The interaction between mycorrhizal fungi and other soil microbes plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of these ecosystems. Mycorrhizal networks serve as a conduit for nutrient exchange, facilitating the transfer of vital elements such as nitrogen and phosphorus between plants and fungi. The symbiotic relationship fosters enhanced growth, enabling trees to access resources that would otherwise remain out of reach. Beneficial bacteria often found in close association with mycorrhizal fungi, contribute to this dynamic environment. They assist in breaking down organic matter, releasing essential nutrients into the soil. This process encourages additional microbial diversity, creating a rich community that supports plant health. The presence of these microbes can even improve soil structure, enhancing water retention and aeration. In this system, carbon compounds produced by trees through photosynthesis become a source of energy for fungi and bacteria alike. This relationship not only sustains the fungi, but also fosters the development of a robust soil ecosystems. In turn, these microorganisms influence plant health, resilience, and biodiversity within the forest. Their underground interactions are complex and intricate, highlighting the significant role of fungi and microbes as unseen architects of forest vitality. Their contributions ripple through the ecosystems, reinforcing the interdependence of life that thrives beneath the forest floor. Scientific inquiry into mycorrhizal fungi dates back to the mid-19th century, when pioneering mycologists began to unravel the complexities of these symbiotic relationships. Initial observations revealed that these fungi form intricate networks, connecting the roots of various plant species. This phenomenon prompted further investigation into the mutual benefits derived from such alliances. The fungi facilitate nutrient exchange, enhancing the uptake of phosphorus and other essential minerals, while plants provide carbohydrates in return. Early researchers documented these interactions through careful examination of root systems and fungal structures, establishing a foundation for understanding the ecological significance of these partnerships. Mycorrhizal associations were found to enhance soil stability and promote biodiversity. Additionally, these relationships contribute to the resilience of forests against environmental stresses, demonstrating their crucial role in sustaining healthy ecosystems. The discovery of the Wood Wide Web gained traction through the work of scientists in the late 20th century, who utilized advanced techniques such as molecular genetics and imaging technologies. Their findings illuminated the extensive underground networks formed by mycorrhizal fungi, revealing a level of communication and resource sharing previously unrecognized. This ongoing research continues to deepen the comprehension of subterranean interactions, shedding light on the intricate web of life that supports the flourishing forests, which, while unseen, form the very foundation of terrestrial ecosystems. Modern advances in mycorrhizal research have significantly enhanced our understanding of these complex relationships. Cutting-edge techniques such as DNA sequencing and advanced imaging technologies enable scientists to explore the genetic diversity of mycorrhizal fungi and their interactions with various plant species. This technological evolution has revealed the remarkable adaptability of these organisms, demonstrating their ability to thrive in diverse environments and varying soil conditions. Research has increasingly focused on the role of these fungi in nutrient cycling and soil health. They facilitate the transport of essential elements such as phosphorus and nitrogen, effectively linking plant roots to a broader ecosystem. This symbiotic relationship not only benefits individual plants, but also enhances community resilience, particularly in the face of environmental stresses. Field studies are now uncovering how mycorrhizal networks can influence forest dynamics and biodiversity. The findings indicate that these subterranean connections allow for the transfer of nutrients among different plant species, fostering cooperation rather than competition. As scientists delve deeper into these interactions, the implications for forest management and conservation strategies become more apparent. Understanding the subtleties of these underground networks could lead to more sustainable practices, promoting healthier, more resilient ecosystems that are essential for the planet's ecological balance. Advanced technology plays a crucial role in the exploration of subterranean networks, shedding light on the intricate relationships that exist beneath the forest floor. Non-invasive techniques such as ground-penetrating radar and electrical resistivity tomography provide insights into the complex structure of root systems and fungal networks without disrupting the delicate environment above. These methods allow researchers to visualize the connectivity of organisms, illuminating their interdependence. Additionally, molecular techniques, including DNA sequencing, enable scientists to identify species present within these networks, revealing the diversity and functional roles of fungi and plant life. Such insights contribute to a deeper understanding of nutrient exchange and communication pathways that facilitate the survival of various species in challenging conditions. Remote sensing technology aids in monitoring forest health, offering data on vegetation density and growth patterns. This information, when combined with underground assessments, creates a comprehensive view of ecosystem dynamics. The fusion of these technological advancements fosters a holistic approach to managing forest ecosystems. Data analytics and artificial intelligence further enhance the study of these subterranean environments, allowing for the modeling of interactions and predictions of ecological responses to environmental changes. By integrating these tools, researchers can devise strategies to conserve and restore vital ecosystems, ensuring their sustainability for future generations. Case studies highlight the intricate relationships formed within diverse mycorrhizal networks. In temperate forests, these networks serve as conduits for nutrient exchange among various tree species. Observations reveal that trees connected through mycorrhizal fungi exhibit improved resilience to environmental stresses, including drought and disease. This suggests a profound interdependence, where one species can bolster another's health through shared resources. Investigations in boreal forests have uncovered similarly complex interactions. Species such as spruce and pine utilize mycorrhizal associations to communicate about pest attacks. Fungal networks carry chemical signals, prompting nearby trees to enhance their defenses. The resulting synergy not only protects individual trees, but also strengthens the overall forest ecosystems. In tropical rainforests, research indicates that the diversity of mycorrhizal fungi correlates with greater biodiversity among plant species. This region displays a remarkable array of interactions where fungi connect various plants, allowing them to thrive in nutrient-poor soils. The existence of these networks underlines the importance of preserving such habitats, as the loss of any species can disrupt the delicate balance maintained through these underground connections. These case studies illuminate the critical role mycorrhizal networks play in forest health and resilience. Understanding these relationships enables a deeper appreciation of the complex web of life that exists beneath the forest floor. The intricate partnerships formed by mycorrhizal fungi and plant roots extend their significance beyond natural ecosystems into agricultural practices. Mycorrhizae enhance nutrient uptake, facilitating the absorption of phosphorus, nitrogen, and other essential minerals. This symbiotic relationship allows crops to achieve greater growth and resilience, minimizing the need for chemical fertilizers. In this region, the presence of mycorrhizae can lead to improved soil health and structure, fostering an environment conducive to sustainable agricultural practices. Research indicates that these fungi can assist in mitigating the effects of drought, aiding plants in water retention. With changing climate patterns, such resilience becomes increasingly crucial. Observations show that crops interacting with mycorrhizal networks display enhanced resistance to various pathogens, contributing to lower disease prevalence. This natural defense mechanism reduces reliance on pesticides, promoting ecological balance. The exchange of information and resources among plants facilitated by these fungi extends to neighboring crops, fostering a collaborative atmosphere. In areas with diverse plantings, mycorrhizal networks link various species, improving overall ecosystem stability. This interconnectedness exemplifies the potential for regenerative agriculture, where the focus shifts from mere yield to the health of the entire ecosystem. Through the understanding of mycorrhizal functions, farmers can implement practices that nurture these relationships, enhancing both crop productivity and environmental stewardship. Mycorrhizal fungi play a pivotal role in the sustainability of agricultural practices. These organisms form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, extending their reach into the soil and facilitating nutrient exchange. Through this network, they enhance water and mineral absorption, allowing crops to thrive even in less fertile conditions. The presence of these fungi can significantly reduce the need for chemical fertilizers, promoting a more organic approach to farming. Incorporating practices such as cover cropping and crop rotation fosters a healthy environment for mycorrhizal networks. Cover crops, such as clover or rye, not only protect the soil from erosion, but also provide organic matter that supports fungal growth. This strategy enhances soil structure and biodiversity, creating a resilient ecosystem capable of withstanding climate fluctuations. Crop rotation introduces diversity in root systems, enabling various fungi to thrive, further enriching the soil. The cultivation of mycorrhizal fungi also contributes to carbon sequestration. By promoting the growth of these organisms, farmers can enhance the soil's ability to store carbon, mitigating the impact of greenhouse gases. This approach aligns with global efforts to combat climate change, while simultaneously ensuring food security. Sustainable farming practices, through the lens of mycorrhizal interactions, offer a pathway towards a more harmonious relationship between agriculture and nature. The potential of mycorrhizal interactions continues to unfold, revealing complex networks that underpin ecosystem dynamics. Research increasingly seeks to understand the specific roles these fungi play in nutrient cycling, plant health, and resilience to environmental stresses. Emerging questions focus on how varying climatic conditions influence mycorrhizal efficacy and what implications this may have for forest management amid changing ecosystems. Investigations into the genetic diversity of fungi within mycorrhizal networks could illuminate how these organisms adapt to new challenges. This adaptability may enhance plant communities' resilience. The intricate relationships between different plant species and their mycorrhizal partners highlight a complex communication system, raising inquiries about interspecies interactions and the sharing of resources. Understanding these relationships could lead to improved reforestation efforts and conservation strategies, allowing ecosystems to thrive under anthropogenic pressures. As research methods advance, including genomic sequencing and ecological modeling, the future of mycorrhizal research promises to unveil deeper insights into subterranean systems. This knowledge may pave the way for sustainable practices that honor the interconnectedness of life, fostering a balance between human activity and natural ecosystems. Indigenous knowledge offers profound insights into the ways forests communicate and thrive. These ancient understandings emphasize a deep connection between humans and the natural world, revealing that this region of life is not merely a collection of individual organisms, but a complex network woven together through shared experiences. The observation of tree signaling, root interactions, and the role of fungi in nutrient exchange highlights the subtle forms of communication that exist beneath the forest floor. Elders and traditional practitioners often speak of trees as sentinels of wisdom, perceiving their ability to convey information about environmental changes. disturbances, and even the well-being of neighboring plants. This perspective underscores the idea that trees and plants possess a form of intelligence, responding to their surroundings in ways that may not be immediately visible. Such knowledge serves as a reminder of the importance of maintaining these intricate relationships. The wisdom passed down through generations emphasizes reciprocity and respect for the land, advocating for sustainable stewardship that honors both human needs and ecological integrity. The forests, viewed through this lens, become a living entity, a collective organism that thrives on the harmony of its components. This vision fosters a sense of responsibility, encouraging practices that nurture the delicate balance of life sustained by these vast, interconnected systems. The intricate networks formed by mycorrhizal fungi serve as vital highways for communication and nutrient exchange among trees and plants. Interactions within these networks can be disrupted by the introduction of invasive species. These foreign organisms often outcompete native flora for resources, altering the delicate balance that has evolved over centuries. Havasat Walud wave centuries. Invasive species can exploit these mycorrhizal connections, gaining access to the essential nutrients and water stored within the soil, thereby weakening established plants. This shift can lead to a cascade of ecological consequences as native species struggle against the invasive encroachments. The resilience of these mycorrhizal networks becomes critical as they attempt to support the struggling native plants while simultaneously grappling with the pressures from these newcomers. Research indicates that some invasive species may even alter the composition of the mycorrhizal networks themselves. Changes in fungal diversity affect the overall functionality of these systems, potentially leading to a decline in biodiversity. The implications for soil health and overall forest resilience grow increasingly concerning as these alterations unfold. Understanding the dynamics between mycorrhizal networks and invasive species reveals the complexity of forest ecosystems, highlighting the need for careful management strategies that prioritize the preservation of these vital relationships. The quiet balance of life beneath our feet continues to reflect the intricate web of interactions that define the health of our forests. Resilience emerges as a defining feature of mycorrhizal networks, especially in disturbed ecosystems. These underground associations between fungi and plant roots facilitate nutrient exchange, enhancing survival even in compromised environments. When faced with challenges such as drought, fire, or human encroachment, these networks exhibit remarkable adaptability. In the aftermath of disturbances, it becomes clear that they are not merely passive entities. Instead, they actively respond to changes, supporting the regeneration of plant communities. Through the exchange of carbon and essential minerals, they foster a diverse array of species that contribute to ecosystem recovery. It is within these networks that the potential for resilience lies, enabling forests to withstand the impacts of climate fluctuations and anthropogenic pressures. Observations reveal that the interconnectedness of this underground community aids in maintaining biodiversity. As plants rely on these fungal partners for vital resources, they in turn offer carbohydrates, creating a symbiotic relationship essential for both parties' survival. The ability to share nutrients among neighboring plants enhances the overall stability of the ecosystem. Research indicates that these networks may also serve as conduits for chemical signaling, alerting nearby plants to potential threats such as pests or diseases. This intricate communication underscores the vital role of mycorrhizal networks in fostering adaptive strategies, allowing forests to endure and thrive amidst adversity. Mycorrhizal networks serve as key indicators of forest health, revealing much about the ecological status beneath the surface. These fungal connections facilitate nutrient exchange, allowing trees to access essential minerals, while simultaneously supporting the diverse microbial communities that inhabit the soil. When healthy, these networks indicate robust nutrient cycling and a thriving ecosystem. In contrast, disruptions to these connections can signal underlying issues such as soil degradation or the presence of pathogens. The density and diversity of mycorrhizal fungi can reflect the overall vitality of a forest. Areas exhibiting rich mycorrhizal activity often showcase a variety of tree species, each participating in the shared nutrient network. This interconnectedness promotes resilience, enabling forests to withstand environmental stresses like drought or disease. As disturbances occur, be it through logging, urban development, or climate change, mycorrhizal networks may begin to decline, leading to a cascade of negative effects on forest health. Monitoring these fungal networks provides valuable insight into the ecological dynamics of forests. Restoration efforts can be guided through an understanding of mycorrhizal relationships, fostering a return to equilibrium. Through careful observation of these hidden connections, it becomes possible to recognize the intricate balance that sustains life above and below the ground, emphasizing the importance of preserving these vital ecosystems. Our mycorrhizal fungi play a pivotal role in restoring degraded landscapes. These organisms form symbiotic relationships with the roots of plants, facilitating the exchange of nutrients and water in barren soils. Where traditional vegetation struggles to thrive, their presence can significantly alter the dynamics of the ecosystems. They extend the root system through vast networks, increasing the surface area for nutrient absorption, allowing plants to access resources that would otherwise remain out of reach. In areas impacted by deforestation or mining, mycorrhizal fungi contribute to soil stabilization, reducing erosion and promoting the establishment of new plant life. Through the decomposition of organic matter, they enhance soil fertility, fostering conditions conducive to growth. This transformation occurs slowly, as fungi gradually break down complex compounds, releasing essential nutrients into the surrounding environment. Furthermore, these organisms assist in enhancing the resilience of ecosystems to climate change. By improving water retention in the soil, they enable plants to endure periods of drought, while also supporting biodiversity by encouraging the growth of various plant species. This interconnectedness creates a more robust ecosystem, capable of recovering from disturbances, illustrating the importance of mycorrhizal fungi in the restoration process. Their quiet, yet profound influence underscores a fundamental aspect of ecological recovery, revealing the hidden complexities of life beneath the surface. Climate adaptation strategies in forest ecosystems emerge as vital responses to the changing environment. These mechanisms enable resilience amid increasing temperatures and shifting precipitation patterns. Trees, for instance, exhibit an innate ability to adjust their physiological processes, altering leaf structures and photosynthetic efficiency to maximize energy capture. This adaptation facilitates survival under stress, promoting health and vitality. Underneath the canopy, the intricate network of fungi and roots plays a crucial role in enhancing these adaptive strategies. Mycorrhizal associations improve nutrient uptake, allowing trees to access essential resources even in nutrient-poor soils. This symbiotic relationship fosters a more robust ecosystem, enhancing the forest's overall resilience against climate variability. Seed dispersal mechanisms are also adapting, with species increasingly relying on animals that can traverse altered habitats. This shift ensures that seeds reach suitable microclimates, essential for germination and establishment in a changing landscape. Genetic diversity within these populations becomes paramount, providing a reservoir of traits that may confer advantages under new climatic conditions. These responses reflect an interconnected web of interactions, where each organism plays a role in the larger ecological framework. The health of the forest ecosystem hinges on these adaptive capacities, ensuring that it continues to thrive despite the challenges posed by climate change. Understanding these dynamics offers insights into the future of forest resilience. Anthropogenic influences significantly impact mycorrhizal networks, altering their structure and function. Urban expansion and agricultural practices disrupt the delicate balance that has persisted for millennia. Soil compaction from heavy machinery affects the ability of fungi to establish connections with plant roots, leading to diminished nutrient exchange. Chemical fertilizers, while boosting immediate plant growth, can disrupt these ancient partnerships, resulting in reduced biodiversity within the soil microbiome. Pesticides pose additional threats, targeting not just harmful organisms, but also beneficial fungi. This interference can lead to a cascading effect, where weakened plants become less resilient to disease, pests, and environmental stresses. The application of monoculture farming practices further exacerbates these challenges. Such practices limit the diversity of species present, undermining the complex web of interactions that support ecosystem health. Climate change introduces further variables, with rising temperatures and altered precipitation patterns affecting fungal growth and activity. Shifts in species composition can also arise, as some mycorrhizal fungi may not adapt quickly enough to changing conditions. These alterations can disrupt nutrient cycling and water retention in soils, crucial for maintaining forest health. The repercussions of these influences extend beyond individual forests, affecting entire landscapes and the myriad organisms that depend on these intricate networks. As understanding deepens, so too does the urgency to address these challenges for the sake of ecological integrity. Ecosystem engineers play a pivotal role in shaping the structure and function of forests, with fungi at the forefront of this intricate process. These organisms contribute significantly to nutrient cycling, breaking down organic material, and facilitating the transformation of dead matter into vital nutrients for surrounding flora. Their mycelial networks extend through the soil, creating vast subterranean highways that connect various plant species, thereby influencing plant health and diversity. And in this region, fungi also form symbiotic relationships with trees, known as mycorrhizae. Through this association, trees receive essential minerals and water from their fungal partners, while fungi benefit from the carbohydrates produced by photosynthesis. This mutualistic interaction enhances the stability of forest ecosystems, allowing them to thrive even in challenging conditions. These connections extend beyond individual plants, associating this process, leading to the formation of complex communities. In the process, fungi help to regulate the carbon cycle, sequestering carbon in the soil and mitigating climate change effects. The loss of these organisms poses a risk, potentially destabilizing the delicate balance of forest ecosystems. Understanding the role of fungi as ecosystem engineers underscores the importance of preserving biodiversity within forests. It highlights the interconnectedness of life and the intricate web of relationships that sustain ecological integrity, revealing the profound impact of these often overlooked organisms. The intricate networks formed by mycorrhizal fungi extend well beyond mere nutrient exchange. These underground connections facilitate communication not only among plants, but also influence animal behavior within these ecosystems. This region, rich in biodiversity, becomes a stage for complex interactions driven by the delicate balance of resources and signals. Root systems intertwine with fungal networks, allowing trees to share vital information about drought or disease, creating a communal response that can alter the behavior of herbivores. For instance, when trees detect an attack from pests, they can release chemical signals through their roots and into the mycorrhizal network. This prompts neighboring trees to bolster their defenses in anticipation. Animals, particularly herbivores, may alter their foraging patterns as a result, choosing to avoid areas where trees are signaling distress. This behavior not only impacts individual species but also shapes the broader ecological landscape. The role of mycorrhizal fungi in these interactions underscores their importance in sustaining plant health and influencing the behavior of various organisms. In this complex web, the exchange of information serves as a crucial mechanism for survival. The health of this subterranean community reverberates through the entire ecosystem, demonstrating that beneath the surface, life thrives in ways that remain largely unobserved yet profoundly significant. Visual representation of mycorrhizal networks reveals intricate patterns that underscore the complexity of these relationships. Filaments extend in all directions, creating a vast web that connects individual plants, facilitating nutrient exchange and communication. This network, often likened to a neural structure, acts as a conduit for information and sustenance, enabling trees to share resources, particularly during times of stress. Diverse species engage in this underground collaboration, forming alliances that enhance resilience against environmental challenges. Observing the connections, one can discern the varying thickness of hyphae, indicative of the strength and age of these relationships. Thicker strands suggest a well-established network, while finer filaments hint at newer connections still developing. Under specialized imaging techniques, these networks become visible, revealing the hidden architecture of the forest floor. The colors and densities illustrate the intensity of interactions, suggesting areas rich in activity. Zones of vibrant activity often coincide with plant roots, indicating heightened exchanges of information and resources. The implications of these networks extend beyond individual species, impacting biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Research highlights that alterations in one part of the network can ripple through the entire community, affecting growth patterns and survival rates. This silent yet dynamic interplay serves as a testament to the interconnectedness of life within forest ecosystems. This interconnectedness extends beyond mere survival strategies. Forests exhibit social structures that mirror those found in human communities. Trees, much like individuals, engage in cooperative behaviors that enhance their collective well-being. Through root connections and mycorrhizal networks, they facilitate the sharing of nutrients and information, fostering a sense of community that transcends species boundaries. In this region, different tree species often work together, forming alliances that benefit all parties involved. For instance, some trees may provide shade while others contribute to soil enrichment, creating a balanced ecosystem. This collaboration can often be observed in mixed forests, where diversity leads to greater resilience against environmental stresses. The concept of communal support is not limited to trees. Beneath the surface, microorganisms engage in similar social behaviors, forming networks that promote mutual aid. These interactions create a robust underground community, which plays a central role in maintaining soil health and plant vitality. In contrast, monoculture stands, often found in commercial forestry, lack these intricate relationships. The absence of diverse interactions can lead to vulnerability, as these systems are less equipped to withstand disease and changing climatic conditions. The health of such environments hinges on the absence of social structures, underscoring the importance of biodiversity in fostering resilient ecosystems. The intricate mycorrhizal networks serve as vital conduits for nutrient exchange, significantly influencing the carbon cycle. These fungal associations connect the roots of various plant species, facilitating communication and resource sharing. Through this underground network, they play an essential role in sequestering carbon dioxide, a critical factor in mitigating climate change. Enhanced carbon storage within these systems highlights the potential of forests as carbon sinks, drawing attention from policymakers focused on climate resilience. Strategies aimed at preserving and promoting the health of these mycorrhizal networks could yield substantial benefits for climate policy. Encouraging practices that maintain soil health and biodiversity directly supports these ecosystems, ensuring their functionality and carbon sequestration. The interconnectedness of plant life beneath the surface emphasizes the need for a holistic approach to forest management. Policies that prioritize sustainable land use can enhance the resilience of these underground networks, thereby bolstering the overall health of forests. The implications extend beyond carbon capture. They encompass soil fertility, water retention, and habitat stability. Understanding the dynamics of these networks informs conservation efforts, guiding interventions that align with both ecological integrity and climate goals. Recognizing the role of mycorrhizal networks in fostering climate stability may reshape approaches to land management, emphasizing their significance in global climate strategies. Soil management practices significantly influence mycorrhizal fungi and, consequently, the health of ecosystems. Healthy soil is characterized by a diversity of organisms and adequate organic matter, which encourages the establishment of these vital networks. When soil is disturbed through practices such as tillage or excessive use of chemical fertilizers, the delicate balance required for mycorrhizal growth can be disrupted. This disturbance leads to a decline in fungal populations, diminishing the benefits they provide to plants. Compacted soils hinder the ability of roots to access nutrients, further impacting the symbiotic relationships. In contrast, practices that promote soil structure and enhance organic content, such as cover cropping and reduced tillage, support robust mycorrhizal networks. These fungi extend their hyphae into the soil, facilitating nutrient uptake for plants while receiving carbohydrates in return. The reliance on monocultures in agriculture can also limit the diversity of mycorrhizal fungi. Diverse plant communities foster a rich fungal ecosystem, enhancing resilience against pests and diseases. When diverse species coexist, the likelihood that some will thrive under changing conditions increases, promoting stability. Adopting holistic soil management strategies encourages the flourishing of mycorrhizal fungi. Mycorrhizal networks form intricate systems beneath the forest floor, enabling trees and plants to communicate and share resources. These networks consist of fungal threads that connect the roots of various species, allowing them to exchange nutrients, water, and even chemical signals. This underground web plays a crucial role in enhancing the resilience of ecosystems, particularly in the face of environmental stresses. Research indicates that these networks can assist in the recovery of forest areas after disturbances, such as wildfires or logging. They facilitate the regrowth of vegetation by providing essential nutrients to seedlings, effectively bridging the gap between mature trees and younger plants. The symbiosis established between mycorrhizal fungi and plant roots is vital for nutrient uptake, especially in nutrient-poor soils. Conservation efforts increasingly recognize the importance of preserving these networks, protecting soil health and minimizing disruption to underground fungal communities can significantly enhance forest recovery and sustainability. Restoration projects that incorporate mycorrhizal fungi into soil management practices show promising results. With climate change posing a significant threat to forest ecosystems, understanding and leveraging these networks becomes imperative. By fostering conditions that allow these vital connections to thrive, forests can maintain their biodiversity, adapt to shifting climates, and continue to provide essential services for the planet and its inhabitants. Mycorrhizal fungi serve as a fundamental component in promoting plant growth within this intricate web of life. These microorganisms form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, facilitating nutrient exchange that is vital for optimal health. Through their expansive networks, they extend the reach of roots, allowing plants to access a greater volume of soil. This enhanced absorption capability is particularly crucial in nutrient-poor environments, where the availability of essential elements can be limited. In this partnership, the fungi benefit from carbohydrates produced by the plants during photosynthesis. In return, they supply critical nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen, fostering robust growth and resilience in various species. This relationship is not merely beneficial for individual plants, it underpins the overall health of entire ecosystems. Research indicates that mycorrhizal networks can improve plant resistance to environmental stresses, including drought and disease. By connecting diverse plant species, these fungi facilitate communication and resource sharing, enabling communities to adapt collectively to changing conditions. The interactions between mycorrhizal fungi and plants also influence soil structure and stability. Enhanced root systems contribute to the formation of aggregates, improving soil aeration and water retention. This dynamic partnership illustrates the hidden yet profound connections that sustain the life of forests and underscore their role as vital ecosystems on Earth. The influence of forest fragmentation on mycorrhizal connections reveals significant implications for ecological health. When extensive areas of forest are reduced to smaller, isolated patches, the continuity of these vital networks becomes disrupted. Mycorrhizal fungi, which form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, rely on expansive root systems to share nutrients and information. Fragmented landscapes limit this interaction, resulting in reduced fungal diversity and weakened networks. Within these isolated patches, plants experience heightened competition for resources. This competition can lead to diminished growth and survival rates, affecting the overall productivity of the ecosystem. As nutrient exchange becomes less efficient, the resilience of these forests wanes, making them more susceptible to disease and environmental stresses. Fragmentation also disrupts the dispersal of fungal spores, limiting their ability to colonize new habitats. The intricate web of connections that once thrived across vast expanses of forest can become diminished, with cascading effects on biodiversity. Species dependent on these mycorrhizal relationships face increased vulnerability, leading to potential declines in populations. Restoration efforts in fragmented landscapes focus on re-establishing connectivity by creating corridors that facilitate movement between patches. The reformation of these mycorrhizal connections becomes possible. The health of the entire forest ecosystem hinges upon these often overlooked relationships that operate beneath the surface, quietly sustaining life across the landscape. Long-term ecological studies on mycorrhizal networks reveal intricate connections that link individual plants to a broader community. These networks, formed by fungi intertwined with plant roots, facilitate the exchange of water, nutrients, and information. Over decades, researchers have observed how these underground systems enable trees to share resources, especially during periods of drought or nutrient scarcity. Data collected from various forest types illustrate the resilience of these networks as they adapt to changing environmental conditions. Specifically, trees engage in nutrient trading, where plants in need of specific minerals receive assistance from more established neighbors. This cooperation enhances the overall productivity and stability of the ecosystem, demonstrating a sophisticated form of mutualism. Additionally, studies have shown that the mycorrhizal networks can act as conduits for signaling stressors such as disease or insect infestations. Through these biochemical signals, trees can activate defense mechanisms in neighboring plants, effectively preparing the entire community for potential threats. Long-term monitoring of these networks reveals seasonal variations in their activity, with peaks correlating to specific life cycles of both fungi and plants. The resilience observed in these systems emphasizes the importance of maintaining biodiversity. A diverse plant community supports a variety of fungal partners, thus strengthening the entire forest ecosystem and enhancing its ability to adapt to environmental changes. Mycorrhiza play a pivotal role in nutrient cycling within this ecosystem. These symbiotic relationships between fungi and plant roots facilitate the transfer of essential nutrients, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, from the soil to the plants. This mutualistic association allows plants to access nutrients that would otherwise remain unavailable, enhancing their growth and resilience. The fungi extend their hyphal networks into the surrounding soil, significantly increasing the surface area for nutrient absorption. This process creates a vast underground network that connects different plant species, allowing for the sharing of resources. Through this interconnected system, plants can exchange nutrients based on their specific needs, fostering a collaborative environment. In addition to nutrient uptake, mycorrhizae contribute to soil structure and stability. Their hyphae bind soil particles together, promoting aggregation and reducing erosion. This improved soil quality enhances water retention, which is crucial during periods of drought. As the hyphal networks decompose, they also contribute organic matter, further enriching the soil. The life cycles of mycorrhizal fungi are closely tied to the seasons, with their activity peaking during periods of growth. This synchronization ensures that nutrient availability aligns with plant demand, optimizing productivity within the forest. The disruption of mycorrhizal networks leads to significant ecological consequences, affecting both flora and fauna within the ecosystem. When these intricate fungal networks are compromised, plants lose their essential link to nutrient exchange and support. A decline in overall plant health becomes evident, with weakened species struggling to access water and minerals. This reduction in vigor creates a cascading effect throughout the ecosystem. With diminished plant growth, herbivores face a shortage of food sources, leading to declines in their populations. The subsequent reduction in herbivore numbers can alter predator-prey dynamics, resulting in a shift in the entire food web. As these species navigate changing availability, competition intensifies among the remaining organisms, further stressing the ecosystem. Additionally, soil structure begins to deteriorate without mycorrhizal fungi. This deterioration affects water retention and soil aeration, leading to increased erosion and reduced fertility over time. These changes can hinder the establishment of new plant life, reducing biodiversity and altering species composition within the area. These ecological shifts can also influence carbon storage, as diminished plant growth reduces the forest's ability to sequester carbon from the atmosphere. This interaction between mycorrhizal health and broader ecological stability highlights the delicate balance maintained within these environments, emphasizing the importance of preserving these underground networks for future ecological resilience. Mycorrhizal networks serve as crucial conduits for nutrient exchange, facilitating essential services that benefit both flora and fauna. These subterranean systems link individual plants, allowing them to share resources such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and water. This interconnectedness enhances the resilience of vegetation in response to environmental stresses, including drought and soil depletion. In this way, mycorrhizal networks become instrumental in promoting biodiversity, as they support a diverse array of plant species, each contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. The role of these networks extends beyond nutrient transfer. They also play a significant part in soil structure and stability. By enhancing soil aggregation, they improve water retention and reduce erosion. This is particularly vital in areas prone to soil degradation, where the loss of structural integrity can lead to diminished agricultural productivity and increased sediment runoff into waterways. In addition to their physical contributions, mycorrhizal networks facilitate communication among plants, enabling them to respond collectively to threats such as pests or diseases. This signaling mechanism fosters a cooperative environment where neighboring plants can bolster their defenses through shared chemical signals. Such interactions underline the complexity of forest ecosystems, revealing the intricate web of life that thrives beneath the surface, quietly sustaining the vibrant life above. The economic value of mycorrhizal fungi extends far beyond their ecological role, influencing agricultural productivity and forest management practices. These organisms establish symbiotic relationships with the roots of many plant species, enhancing nutrient uptake, particularly phosphorus. In farming, this relationship can lead to significant increases in crop yields, reducing the necessity for chemical fertilizers. The reliance on these fungi for sustainable agriculture promotes healthier soil ecosystems, which in turn supports biodiversity. Nurseries often utilize mycorrhizal inoculation to ensure robust plant growth, contributing to the successful establishment of trees and shrubs. These practices lead to healthier landscapes, providing not only aesthetic value but also contributing to carbon sequestration. The potential for mycorrhizal fungi to improve soil structure enhances water retention, offering resilience against drought conditions. In forestry, the presence of these fungi supports the growth of commercial tree species, which are crucial for timber production. This relationship fosters sustainable forestry practices, allowing for more efficient land use while preserving the integrity of forest ecosystems. The economic implications are considerable, as these fungi contribute to the livelihoods of farmers, foresters, and communities dependent on healthy landscapes. Understanding and harnessing the power of mycorrhizal fungi can lead to innovative agricultural practices, promoting a more sustainable approach to land management and economic resilience in the face of environmental challenges. These networks extend far beyond local ecosystems, forming an intricate web that spans the globe. In various regions, trees and plants rely on these fungal connections to facilitate nutrient exchange, enhancing their growth and resilience. This interconnectedness allows forests to function as cohesive units, sharing resources and signaling distress to neighboring flora when facing threats such as drought or disease. Research indicates that trees utilize these underground networks to communicate with others, exchanging information about environmental changes and potential hazards. The signaling process, often involving chemical compounds, enables trees to bolster their defenses in anticipation of adverse conditions. Such cooperation fosters biodiversity, as diverse species thrive together in a shared habitat, benefiting from mutual support. In certain ecosystems, this phenomenon promotes the establishment of healthy soil, which in turn sustains a vast array of organisms. The presence of mycorrhizal fungi plays a crucial role in maintaining soil structure and fertility, ensuring that nutrients remain available to plants. This intricate relationship between fungi, trees, and soil organisms cultivates an environment capable of supporting diverse life forms. The implications of these global forest networks extend beyond ecological stability, influencing carbon sequestration and climate regulation. By understanding these dynamics, scientists can develop strategies to protect and restore forests, thereby enhancing their capacity to withstand the pressures of an ever-changing world. When trees engage in symbiotic relationships with a variety of other flora, forming intricate networks that underpin the health of entire ecosystems. This region is rich with examples of mutualism, where trees provide essential nutrients and shelter to understory plants, while the smaller flora contribute to the well-being of their larger counterparts. Through photosynthesis, these plants generate carbohydrates, some of which are shared through root systems and underground connections. Mycorrhizal fungi play a pivotal role in these interactions, acting as intermediaries that enhance nutrient uptake. They extend the reach of tree roots, allowing for greater access to water and minerals, while facilitating communication between different plant species. This underground network creates a robust community that sustains itself amid varying environmental conditions, ensuring survival. In addition to aiding nutrient exchange, these relationships also influence the chemical signals exchanged among flora. When faced with threats like insect infestations or pathogens, trees can release volatile organic compounds that alert neighboring plants to the danger, prompting them to bolster their defenses. This cooperative behavior highlights the interconnectedness of life within the forest. Such relationships illustrate the complexity of these ecosystems, where each organism plays a critical role in maintaining balance, resilience, and vitality. They thrive in concert, continuously adapting to the challenges of their environment. Mycorrhizal networks serve as vital connectors within this intricate ecosystem. These fungal associations establish extensive root systems that intertwine with plant roots, facilitating nutrient exchange. Through this underground web, trees and plants share vital resources, enhancing their resilience against environmental stresses. This symbiotic relationship not only bolsters individual survival, but also fortifies entire communities. These networks play a crucial role in soil stability. The fungal filaments bind soil particles together, creating a robust structure that resists erosion. In regions where vegetation is sparse, this binding action becomes particularly significant. It prevents loss of topsoil, maintaining the delicate balance necessary for sustaining life. The presence of these networks can significantly mitigate the impact of heavy rainfall and wind, reducing the likelihood of soil degradation. As roots penetrate the earth, they foster a habitat for diverse microorganisms, enriching the soil's health. This biodiversity contributes to nutrient cycling, further enhancing the productivity of the ecosystems. The decay of organic matter, aided by fungi, nourishes the soil, allowing for resilient growth in subsequent seasons. Understanding the dynamics of mycorrhizal networks reveals insights into forest health and longevity. Their quiet yet profound influence underscores the interconnectedness of life, emphasizing the importance of preserving these intricate systems for future generations. Mycorrhizal fungi establish symbiotic relationships with the roots of a vast array of plants, facilitating nutrient exchange that enhances plant health and resilience. These fungi extend their hyphal networks into the surrounding soil, significantly increasing the surface area for absorption. This process is particularly critical for medicinal plants, which often thrive in nutrient-poor environments. The enhanced uptake of essential minerals and water improves the growth and potency of these plants, making them more effective in their medicinal property. The relationship between mycorrhizal fungi and medicinal plants is a delicate balance. Fungi not only support the plants, but also benefit from them, gaining carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis. This mutualism results in a thriving ecosystem where both partners flourish. Certain mycorrhizal species are known to enhance the production of secondary metabolites in plants, compounds that are often responsible for therapeutic effects. In regions where medicinal plants are harvested for traditional and modern medicine, the presence of mycorrhizal fungi can significantly influence plant yield and quality. The disruption of these fungal networks due to overharvesting or environmental changes poses a risk to both the plants and the medicinal compounds they provide. A deeper understanding of these relationships is essential for sustainable practices that protect not only the fungi, but also the invaluable resources they support. The implications of genetic engineering on mycorrhizal relations present a complex landscape. This practice aims to enhance plant resilience against environmental stresses by modifying plant species, researchers hope to promote stronger associations with fungal partners. Such interactions could potentially lead to increased nutrient uptake and improved growth rates. These manipulated plants may also exhibit enhanced resistance to pathogens, which could alter the dynamics of existing ecosystems. Changes in these relationships have broader repercussions. The introduction of genetically engineered species may disrupt the delicate balance established over millennia. Native mycorrhizal networks could be overwhelmed, leading to a decline in biodiversity. Altered interactions may not only impact plant health, but also the myriad organisms that depend on these forests for sustenance. Monitoring these developments is crucial. Studies will be needed to assess the long-term effects of modified plants on local fungi and the surrounding flora and fauna. It is vital to consider the potential for unintended consequences, as the intricate web of life within these ecosystems is often unpredictable. The future of forests may hinge on the careful navigation of these advancements, ensuring that the foundational relationships among species are respected and preserved. For Tidimanalysis, societal perspectives on forest communication reveal a growing awareness of the intricate networks that sustain ecosystems. Communities are beginning to recognize the significance of these subterranean connections, prompting discussions on conservation and stewardship. The acknowledgement of these relationships challenges conventional views of forests as mere resources, shifting the narrative toward a more holistic understanding of their role in the environment. Forests have long been revered as sacred spaces, embodying wisdom and resilience. This reverence is now being supplemented by scientific insights into how trees and fungi interact, revealing the complexities of their communication. This region, rich in biodiversity, showcases the interconnectedness that sustains life above and below the surface. The exchange of nutrients and information among trees fosters a communal health that transcends individual survival. Research demonstrates that trees can signal distress through volatile organic compounds, allowing neighboring flora to prepare for potential threats. This phenomenon has sparked interest in how human activities disrupt these networks. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change pose significant risks to the delicate balance, highlighting the urgency for informed conservation strategies. The realization that forests function as vibrant communities urges society to reconsider land use, advocating for approaches that prioritize ecological integrity. Understanding these connections can lead to more sustainable practices, fostering a deeper respect for the silent conversations occurring beneath our feet. Education plays a pivotal role in fostering awareness of forest health and the intricate networks that sustain them. Integrating knowledge about these relationships into curricula enhances comprehension among students and communities. This foundation allows individuals to grasp the importance of the Wood Wide Web, emphasizing the interconnectedness of flora and fauna. Workshops and field studies provide hands-on experiences that deepen understanding. Observations during nature walks highlight the significance of mycorrhizal fungi and other organisms in nutrient exchange. As students engage with their natural surroundings, they begin to appreciate the complex interactions that occur daily, laying the groundwork for stewardship. Community outreach programs serve to bridge the gap between scientific research and public awareness. These initiatives disseminate information about forest ecosystems, showcasing their role in carbon sequestration and biodiversity preservation. Collaborations with local organizations can amplify these messages, leading to collective action aimed at protecting endangered habitats. The impact of education extends beyond immediate knowledge. Awareness cultivates a sense of responsibility. Individuals equipped with an understanding of forest health are more likely to advocate for sustainable practices, participate in conservation efforts, and support policies that protect these vital ecosystems. The quiet resilience of the forest thrives as communities grow in their understanding, ensuring that these intricate networks remain intact for generations to come. Policies surrounding forest management play a crucial role in shaping the health and longevity of these ecosystems. Regulations often dictate practices that either support or hinder the delicate balance of life beneath the canopy. Thoughtful legislation can promote sustainable harvesting techniques, allowing for the careful extraction of resources, while preserving the integrity of the soil and the interconnectedness of plant life. In stark contrast, lax policies may lead to overexploitation, disrupting the intricate relationships that sustain these environments. The repercussions of such practices can be profound, affecting not only the flora but also the fauna that rely on these habitats for survival. As trees are removed, the networks formed by mycorrhizal fungi are compromised, diminishing the benefits that arise from their symbiotic associations. The influence of policy extends to land use and urban development, shaping the landscape and its accessibility. Protected areas foster biodiversity and offer refuge for species, while urban encroachment often fragments these ecosystems, isolating communities and disrupting their communication networks. In this context, the role of policymakers becomes critical. They wield the power to enact measures that recognize the importance of these natural connections, ensuring that forests can continue to thrive. The challenge lies in balancing economic interests with ecological stewardship, a task that requires foresight and a commitment to preserving the intricate web of life beneath the surface. Community involvement plays a crucial role in forest conservation efforts. Local populations often possess invaluable knowledge about their surrounding environments, passed down through generations. This understanding fosters a deep connection to the ecosystems they inhabit, allowing for more effective conservation practices tailored to specific regions. Collaborative initiatives promote awareness and education, empowering communities to become stewards of their natural resources. Workshops and outreach programs cultivate an appreciation for the intricate relationships within the forest, highlighting the significance of mycorrhizal networks in sustaining biodiversity. These educational efforts enhance the capacity of communities to advocate for their forests, recognizing the vital role they play in carbon sequestration, soil health, and habitat provision. Volunteering for reforestation projects or participating in local conservation groups strengthens community ties while actively contributing to ecological restoration. This collective action fosters a sense of ownership over the land, encouraging sustainable practices that counteract deforestation and habitat degradation. Engaging with policymakers also emerges as a vital component of these efforts. By voicing concerns and priorities, communities can influence legislation and ensure that local ecological knowledge informs broader conservation strategies. The synergy between grassroots initiatives and policy development creates a resilient framework for forest protection, demonstrating that when communities unite in purpose, they can effect meaningful change for their forests and future generations. The future of research relies on bridging the gap between scientific endeavors and public understanding. This connection fosters a more informed society that appreciates the complexities of forest ecosystems. Engaging communities through educational programs creates pathways for knowledge transfer, allowing individuals to grasp the significance of intricate relationships within the wood wide web. Scientists are increasingly adopting interdisciplinary approaches, merging insights from ecology, sociology, and technology to enhance comprehension. This evolution facilitates more effective communication strategies, ensuring that findings reach diverse audiences. These efforts cultivate a culture of curiosity, encouraging citizens to participate in environmental stewardship. Innovations in outreach methods, such as interactive platforms and citizen science initiatives, expand the dialogue surrounding forest ecosystems. They empower individuals to contribute to research, amplifying the collective intelligence of communities. Increased public engagement leads to a richer understanding of the interdependence between flora, fauna, and fungi. As the dialogue evolves, research becomes a tool for advocacy, informing policy and decision-making processes. This collaboration nurtures a sense of responsibility. Ethical considerations in the study of mycorrhizal networks call for a careful approach to understanding these intricate systems. The interconnectedness of trees and their fungal partners necessitates a respect for the ecological balance that sustains forest health. Disruption of these networks can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not only the immediate flora but also the fauna that depend on this environment. Research methods must prioritize minimal disturbance to these networks. Soil sampling and root examination should be conducted with precision to avoid compromising the delicate structures formed between trees and fungi. The inherent complexity of these relationships requires researchers to consider the long-term impacts of their work on local ecosystems. Engagement with local communities and indigenous knowledge holders plays a vital role in ethical research. Their insights can provide invaluable context about the forest's historical and cultural significance, fostering a more comprehensive understanding of these networks. Additionally, the implications of findings should be communicated transparently, emphasizing how this knowledge can inform conservation efforts. Awareness of the potential exploitation of forest resources underscores the necessity for responsible stewardship. As exploration into these subterranean connections expands, it is imperative to maintain a focus on sustainability, ensuring that the forests continue to thrive for generations to come. In this regard, the study of mycorrhizal networks aligns closely with broader ecological ethics. The global impact of mycorrhizal networks extends beyond individual ecosystems. These intricate fungal connections facilitate nutrient exchange, enhancing soil fertility across vast landscapes. Carbon cycles are significantly influenced by these networks, as they assist in the sequestration of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process contributes to climate regulation, potentially mitigating the effects of climate change over time. Ecosystem resilience is bolstered through these relationships, as trees and plants share resources during periods of drought or nutrient scarcity. This interconnectedness fosters biodiversity, enabling various species to thrive despite adverse conditions. Forests rich in mycorrhizal associations exhibit greater stability and adaptability, showcasing the importance of these networks in maintaining ecological balance. When examining agricultural systems, mycorrhizal networks reveal their potential to enhance crop yields while reducing reliance on chemical fertilizers. By promoting the natural interactions between fungi and plant roots, sustainable farming practices can be established, benefiting both farmers and the environment. In urban areas, the presence of mycorrhizae can improve soil health, supporting urban forestry initiatives. This contributes to improved air quality and enhanced urban biodiversity, creating healthier living spaces. The significance of these networks is woven into the fabric of our planet, illustrating the unseen connections that support life in myriad forms across diverse environments. Citizen science has emerged as a vital component in the study of these intricate networks. Individuals from various backgrounds contribute observations and data, enhancing the understanding of forest dynamics. This collective effort allows researchers to gather expansive datasets that would be challenging to compile independently. In these forests, volunteers often engage in monitoring tree health, biodiversity, and soil composition. Their contributions provide insight into the complex interactions among flora and fauna. By documenting species presence and environmental changes, they assist in identifying shifts in ecological balance, revealing the subtle effects of climate change. Through workshops and community initiatives, knowledge is shared, fostering a deeper appreciation for these ecosystems. Participants become stewards of their environment, cultivating a sense of responsibility towards preserving these vital areas. The integration of technology enables efficient data collection, transforming smartphones into powerful tools for scientific inquiry. The collaborative nature of citizen science also strengthens the bond between researchers and local communities. This partnership enhances the credibility of scientific findings as real-world experiences inform theoretical models. As citizens engage with the environment, they contribute to a growing body of knowledge, enriching our understanding of forest ecosystems. These efforts exemplify the importance of grassroots involvement in science, highlighting how collective action can lead to profound insights about the natural world beneath our feet. The future of mycorrhizal networks is intricately linked to the ongoing changes in global ecosystems. As climate patterns shift, these fungal networks face new challenges. Their role in nutrient exchange and ecosystem resilience becomes even more vital in such conditions. Altered precipitation patterns and temperature fluctuations disrupt the delicate balance that sustains these relationships between fungi and plant roots. These networks possess remarkable adaptability, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments. Nonetheless, the impacts of increased carbon dioxide levels and soil degradation pose significant threats. Certain species may adapt, while others struggle to survive, leading to potential disruptions in the interconnectedness of forests. This region's biodiversity is essential for maintaining the health of these networks. Research into mycorrhizal networks continues to uncover their complexity and significance. Understanding how they respond to external stresses can inform conservation efforts. Restoration projects that prioritize healthy soil and mycorrhizal associations can enhance forest resilience as urbanization encroaches on natural habitats. Promoting these networks in managed landscapes becomes increasingly important. The future of these hidden connections remains uncertain, yet the potential for discovery is vast. Continued exploration of mycorrhizal interactions may unlock further understanding of how life flourishes in even the most challenging environments. This intricate web of communication and support serves as a reminder of nature's interconnectedness. Understanding this complex network reveals profound implications for ecosystem conservation. By recognizing the vital roles played by mycorrhizal fungi and plant roots, efforts can be better directed toward preserving these essential relationships. Conservation strategies that prioritize soil health and biodiversity help maintain the stability of these interdependent systems. In this region, the vitality of trees is not solely an individual endeavor, but a collective effort. Their shared resources bolster resilience against environmental changes, such as climate fluctuations or pest invasions. When one species thrives, the entire ecosystem benefits, showcasing the necessity of maintaining a diverse array of flora. The degradation of these networks can have cascading effects, disrupting not only plant life, but also the multitude of organisms that rely on them. The delicate balance between species is essential. Thus, amituave main of mig, van meid course, bind to save, valley petty alave main tremeza, phytoeg, wademos befine vers. Understanding the wood wide web becomes a cornerstone of effective environmental stewardship. Harfid, preserving these connections fosters a healthier planet, sustaining both terrestrial and atmospheric health. The implications extend beyond local ecosystems, influencing global carbon cycles and climate regulation. As researchers delve deeper into these subterranean relationships, the knowledge gained reinforces the importance of protecting the intricate web of life beneath our feet. This awareness cultivates a deeper appreciation of nature's complexities, urging humanity to tread carefully and responsibly in its stewardship of the earth.